Let's go over how to sell a currency. This is when the customer wants to buy a foreign currency. Begin by clicking the yellow Sell button. You'll notice the pop-up is now yellow because everything related to selling will always show in yellow. We'll insert the amount and currency that will be getting sold, and we'll see at the bottom the amount of Canadian dollars we'll need to receive for it. We'll once again click Add Row. In the top right corner, we'll see how much we need to receive from the client in local currency. Next, we'll click Receive Cash. Now, the system will ask you how much you received from the customer, as it's likely they won't have given you the exact amount due. You'll insert the amount you received and have counted and put on the left, and the system will tell you the local currency change you'll need to pay back. Now, we'll click Add Line, and you'll notice the system won't have processed the change due yet, so you'll still need to click the button Pay Cash, which will add the third line of how much change in local currency you also need to pay. So here we see we'll be paying 1,000 Australian dollars, receiving this amount of Canadian dollars, and paying the change in Canadian dollars. The debit in local currency and the credit in local currency are both equal now, which shows everything has been correctly completed. The final step will be to click Save. Note that your base currency, in our case it's the Canadian dollar, will always have the rate of 1, and other currencies will have their equivalent rate. All the transactions we're doing today are below the threshold that we've set, so we're not being prompted to request to see any identification. Let's do one last sell transaction, selling Polish zloty, and click Finalize by Cash this time, which is ideal for quick single currency exchanges. You'll see the background changes to blue as it's now asking how much of local currency you've received to ensure you give back the correct amount of local change along with the foreign currency you're selling. Getting asked this question is a confirmation to the teller, reminding them that they're selling a foreign currency in a sell transaction to reduce user error between the buy and sell function, which can be costly for the company. Now here you'll see in blue is always the amount you received, and in yellow, the amount you gave to the customer.